Welcome. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, is Shopify worth it for beginners? If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. Now, the short answer is yes. Shopify is absolutely worth it for beginners who want to build a long-term, scalable online business. While it requires a monthly financial investment, the platform completely eliminates the technical headaches of web hosting, security maintenance, and payment checkout integration. Also, when you go head over to your online store right here, and then edit your store or the theme of your store, you have the drag and drop functionalities right here. That means zero coding needed. Shopify right here lets you build a professional storefront without hiring an expensive developer. Now, as per hosting, you go head over to settings right here and go head over to domains. Shopify got an all-in-one infrastructure. Hosting, SSL security certificates, and domain setups are handled under one roof. Now, as per payments, you could go ahead and use the Shopify's native checkout system, which is the Shopify payments. Okay, you could also use your PayPal or any other providers right here. And you could also connect Stripe if you wish to. Okay, PayPal as well. We have here the Shopify App Store as well. This one allows you to instantly plug in marketing tools, drop shipping suppliers, and review sections without writing a code. And if you want to protect your budget when testing a brand new business concept, you can go ahead and leverage into offers. Okay, you can go ahead and sign up during a promotional period, just like what we have in here. You can go ahead and use the 3 months for $1 only. Go ahead and grab the chance to use it, test Shopify, and if you like it, continue with the payments. All right. And if you're just a beginner, I would highly suggest you to select a plan, basic and grow only. You can just go ahead and stick to the basic plan or grow plan. And only use free application plugins initially. Avoid stacking paid $10 to $20 monthly app subscriptions until your daily revenue easily covers them. All right, so again, to answer the question, is Shopify worth it for beginners? The answer is a total yes. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.